Hello everyone. This is Suresh Makineedi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Future Vision. In this video we are going to discuss about four Purusharthas and their relationship to Kaal Purush Kundli. And then try to understand how these four Purusharthas are useful to know the global trend of stock markets. We know that there are four important Purusharthas in our life which are known as Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. In simple words, our sages suggest us to know the right dharma, that is, right conduct, in our early stage of life, then to earn sufficient artha, that is, sufficient wealth, to fulfill of our kama, that is, our desires, so that we can easily lead us towards our final purpose of life, which is nothing but moksha, which means renunciation of our life. This is the ideal sequence of these four stages of life. But in this modern age, these four stages are randomly scattered with varying magnitudes and timing. We all know that there are 12 signs in Kaal Purush Kundli. Among these 12 signs, from Aries to Cancer, Aries is related to Dharma, Taurus is Artha, Gemini is Kama and Cancer is related to Moksha. And same sequence of these four Purusharthas repeats for next four signs, from Leo to Scorpio and then for last four signs of the zodiac, from Sagittarius to Pisces. Thus we have three signs, namely, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius related to Dharma known as Dharma Trikonas. Similarly Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn are Artha Trikonas, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius are Kama Trikonas and finally Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces are Moksha Trikonas. So, the first, fifth and innate signs of Kaal Purush Kundli are known as Dharma Trikonas. Similarly, the second, sixth and 10th signs are Artha Trikonas. The third, 7th and 11th are Kama Trikonas. And Moksha Trikonas are the 4th, 8th and 12th signs of natural zodiac. Dharma and Moksha Trikonas are spiritual in nature and support us to lead towards Moksha, but Artha and Kama Trikonas are materialistic in nature and tries to oppose us to achieve Moksha. So, now the question is, how this Purushartha concept is important to know the stock market movements. In the next video we will discuss answer to this question. Till then goodbye, Suresh Makineedi is signing off now.